To withdraw USDT, go to the Withdraw tab. In the Partner Account tab, specify the desired amount of USDT to withdraw from the partner account. Next, you should specify your current USDT wallet. Then, specify the blockchain network of your wallet, TRC20 or ERC20. Please note that the fees amount depends on the choice. In the lower field, you can find out the final amount, taking into account all fees, which will be credited to your wallet within 24 hours. Click on the Withdraw to USDT button. You will be greeted with a confirmation window. Check the data you entered. If everything is correct, click the Confirm button. After that, wait for the transaction to be confirmed. If you want to withdraw fixed tokens, go to the Fixed Token Account tab. On this page, you can sell some of the fixed tokens, cash them out, and make a withdrawal to USDT. In the upper field, you should enter the amount of fixed tokens that you want to sell. In the second field, you need to specify your current USDT wallet. Then specify the blockchain network, TRC20 or ERC20. Note that the commission depends on the choice. In the lower field, you can see the total amount in USDT that you will receive. Please note that we do not charge fees. You only pay for a blockchain transaction, and the withdrawal is carried out within 24 hours. Click on the Withdraw to USDT button. You will be greeted with a confirmation window for the information. Click the Confirm button. If you previously linked your fixed token wallet in the settings of your personal account, you will see a notification. Following the instructions, you need to transfer fixed tokens from your personal wallet to the company's wallet, which will be specified in your notification. After making the transfer, you need to attach a screenshot or transaction ID. Your withdrawal request will be created. If you have not previously linked your fixed token wallet, you will be greeted with a confirmation window for the information. Check the entered data and click the Confirm button. The application will be created automatically. You should expect it to be considered by the ProfiXone Capital Fund.